Hey guys, this is the Horror Family and I am REDRUM Queen and we are at Joann's and we're gonna see if they have Halloween stuff in there. So I'm crossing my fingers that they do. So we're gonna go inside. So I'm at the entryway of Joann's and you can see that they have all the DIY pumpkins out, as well as some witch scarecrows, as well as traditional scarecrows. So again, we're at Joann's and I'm gonna go inside. So here we are at Joann's and here we have some skull floral Day of the Dead pieces. Look how cool these are. I'm gonna go ahead and go down here to the price. It is $29.99. People are coming and this is like the entrance, and then they have this Day of the Dead floral wreath. That's really cute. Let's see if I can find a price on this. It looks like it's on this side, but you can see it with the pink and white skull, and there is a price to it, and it's $49.99. And I'm sure there's coupons here as well that you can get online or at the I don't know if they have print ads anymore, but you can definitely probably look online for those. But then there's these Halloween type garland, you know, elongated wreaths, and then you got this witch wreath here, which is really cool, which is orange and black with the witch boots. So it's a very witchy wreath, and this witchy wreath is $69.99 right here. I guess because of all the elaborateness of it. It even has a little pumpkin right there, jack-o'-lantern, which is really cute. Then we got these more basic black with the brown wreaths here. As you can see, these are $59.99. These basic black wreaths here. We got some cute things that you can DIY your own thing. We got little skeleton hands with some fur and some other type of decor, and these are $5.99. And then we have these skull ones here. I don't want to, like, they're like buried. And I'm trying to grab one out to show you, but they're just like seriously buried here. Then you got these feathered skulls, and these are $5.99. And then we got these orange and black floral with the little orange and black balls, and these are $5.99. And then we have some more orange and black wreath type things, and those have glitter on it. We got here, this is like perfect base to use those accessories there, and this is $49.99. And then we got more of the skulls, but these are actually gold, less Day of the Dead, and kind of more on the horror side. And I actually like these a little better. And then we have the different color flowers, and it's like a gold, pink, blue type thing. And this is $39.99. Then we have these black glittery wreath ones. As you can see, it's really cool. It has all this glitter, and I'm assuming you can take these and make your own wreath, the circular part. And this particular one is $29.99, and then this one here is $29.99. So they all range from different prices. This one even has sound. This wreath right here, it lights up. You can see the lights. Oh no, yep, it works. So you have all the cute little orange lights. Very cute. This one's probably a little more because it does light up. Let me see if I can see the price on that. yeah, I don't want to like take everything down just to see the price. Trying to see if I can see the price. But no, well, these light up, so I'm assuming they're probably around the same price range as all the other wreaths here. And I don't know if I told you this one's priced. So let's see if I can pull this up quickly without doing any damage to anything. So some of these are hard to locate the price of, but you can see they range $29, $49, $69, so it's different prices. We even have these black florals here that you can also DIY your wreath. They're a little on the thick side, but I'll take one out for you. So there's these as well, and you can make bouquets. I don't think they're, I mean, if you make a gigantic wreath maybe. And these right here are $9.99 if you're curious. So this is pretty much what I've spotted Halloween thus far, and I'm gonna go ahead and walk around and see what else I can find, but I'm sure you can get all this stuff online as well as in the stores, so come and check it out. And we're gonna keep walking and seeing what else there is. So here we got some fall floral, and there's discount, 30% off going on. I don't know when I post this video if the discount will still be going on, but you can always check online or come to the store. But here's all the fall that you can see at Joann's, and I'm glad there's hints of Halloween already. These little floral things are $9.99. We got a thing of a bunch of little pumpkins that you can use for fall, Halloween, or Thanksgiving. This is more Thanksgiving here, and this is $12.99. So you can see all the fall things here that they got. And they also have some black. These are not Halloween, but you can always, I guess, maybe use them for Halloween. So let's go and keep walking. So here is the aisle where I think most of the Halloween is going to be set up. You can see the aisles are emptied out so they can stock up. And we already have some things stocked up here. We have these glittery silver pumpkins, which I think are super, super cute. We got them in silver and we got them in orange. And this right here is, it's fun to be blind, but these are $19.99. But yes, these are really cute pumpkins with the spider web. And then there's this small little one just sitting here all by itself, and this one is $19.99. Now we got these really cute spider like tree ornaments, or just ornaments in general. And then they got this cute little bat. I'm gonna go ahead and take that one down to show you. It's orange and black, and this one is $9.99. And then the spider is, since it's a little more bigger, right there, and that one's $14.99. And then we got these cute little wedding skulls. We got a little like magician, and we got the groom and the bride, and then we have this little pair here. They're $19.99. And then these little guys, they're look to be $14.99. So they're really cute. And then we have like kitchen mittens and playtime. I guess they're playtime mats. They're an apron. Actually, this is an apron. And this is $29.99, and it's an apron, and it gives you the dimensions, the inches sizing there. I'm gonna hang that right back up. And then here is this oven mitt. This is looks like it's a 2-pack, and it's $34.99. And then we got more stuff here for $29.99. It looks like it's more aprons and stuff like that. And we got, you know, runners for the table. We got napkins. We got towels. Look at all these towels. Super, super cute. The towels are $9.99. It comes with one towel. But yeah, each of them are $9.99. This one's super cute. It's $9.99. And the runners look like they're $19.99, and then This looks like a curtain, and this is $24.99. So these are the prices, and we have some pillows on here. I think this one is super cute with the ombre type orange. And the pillows, this particular pillow doesn't have a price yet, but it looks like some of the things don't have prices. I saw some of the wreaths with no prices. I even took one of the wreaths down earlier just to see if I could go back and show you, but it didn't say anything. So here's another one, and these are $39.99, this particular one. I couldn't find the price on that, but it's probably maybe a little more than that one, if not the same. So here's some more stuff. Here is this boo sign, really, really cute. I like it a lot. And then we have all these other signs. So, so cute. These are $24.99. And the smaller ones are also $24.99. And then I like this one a lot. This one's super cute. Let's see if this one. Ooh. This one's also $24.99. I like that one a lot. This one's super cute. We got some cobwebs here, like it's like a hard sort of metal type thing, like a plastic actually, and it's $9.99. And then we got some party gear if you're having your Halloween parties. We also have that ombre thing, like that pillow. We have some spiders, ghosts, more ghosts, spooky. We got some plates. The plates, let's see. These small plates are $4.99. The napkins, a small set of napkins here is also $4.99. And the larger napkins are $4.99. So I guess both the napkins and these larger plates are also $4.99. So it looks like the partyware is all $4.99 here, and then the tablecloth, not the placemat, is $9.99. So these are really cute. This is actually really cute. I like the stripes. It's kind of simple but spooky. It's really cute. I might have to see if I have one for my table, because we need a new tablecloth, and I'm liking this one a lot. So I'm gonna keep looking and see, because it looks like Halloween is scattered throughout, but this appears to be where the main focus will be. I'm gonna go ahead and walk and see if these mats for outside, they're sort of, I mean, this is more, I want to say, fall than Halloween, and these are $24.99, and they seem to be oriented towards the fall, not so much on the spooky side, but it's really, really cool. So we're gonna keep looking, and I'm probably gonna pick up that tablecloth right there, and maybe that skull thing, but let's see what time and money allows. So here's some more wooden type signs that you can DIY and paint yourself. Welcome mortals. Something like this, for example, would be, see if I can get the price on that. Oh, $4.99. So there is the price on that. And I'm going to go ahead and put this little thing back, if I can figure it out. Put this back. I think I did. Nope, I can't. And I hate knocking things down. There we go. Yep, I got it back. So there are all these signs, and again, avoiding people at all costs. So these are little wooden signs that you can paint yourself, and this is $4.99. So you can take these signs, paint them any colors you like, the traditional Halloween colors, or red or black, or whatever you like. So these are really fun. So let's see what else we can find. So Halloween is scattered all around the place here. We found some candles over here, different candles. We got the traditional orange and black. But you can see all these candles. Let me pick up at least one of these candles here. Like this large one candle. Let's see if I can find the price. like I said, some of these might have not been priced yet. I don't know if these are the correct prices, so I'm not going to say that. But you can see all these candles. These are $24.99. There you go. So it is at the bottom of the candle. So once again, this one is $19.99. And I was showing you the price, not even realizing it was there. But and then the smaller ones are $14.99. So we got this ghost, these bird ones, and the witch, and the skull. I showed you the price, so it's probably the same price on those. And then we got the little small tea candles, and these are $7.99. Not tea candles, are a little larger than that, but these are the tea candles. And the tea candles are $7.99. So you can pick up some candles to make your house spooky for the Halloween season or all year round. So here we got the Halloween fabric. We got sort of like the Day of the Dead here. These are, looks like the Day of the Dead the first half, and then we go into Halloween. And then there is a discount on this particular time frame, which is 25% off. Again, the video is going to be posted later, so the discounts might not be at the same by the time this is posted. So here is this. This is really cute. I like this. It's kind of Halloween and Day of the Dead. And it has even some witchiness to it. So these are all the fabrics that they have here at Joann's. And you can see they're all different prices depending on what exactly you want. So here is more Halloween fabric. A lot of the rainbows I'm seeing. They're trying to make Halloween more colorful, I suppose. And then we have all these lovely, this one is really cute, Day of the Dead animals. This one in particular is $12.99. But look, because there's always going to be discounts, especially when Halloween's coming around. They want to sell the stock of their stuff for the Halloween season. So go ahead and check for sales. This polka dot one is nice. You can make a cute little Halloween dress with that. And that's $7.99. You can make a super cute dress with that. I'm not good at sewing, but the other mother is actually has done some sewing projects and is actually buying fabric as we speak. Not Halloween fabric, but a different kind of fabric, so she can make something for herself. But this is cute, very tarot card. This tarot card fabric is $9.99. And then we have like this sexy witch fabric, and that's $16.99. As you can see, they range from different prices, but you can see all the different Halloween fabric you can choose from here at Joann's. But like I said, Joann's has all their stuff scattered, so you kind of have to walk around the whole store and kind of go ahead and spot the Halloween. But you can see they even offer these helpful guides to know what the discount would be of the fabric, so you don't have to break out your calculator. So that's really helpful of Joann's. And then we have all the fall fabric here for the fall season, which is about to start, I think, tomorrow, even though school doesn't start tomorrow. But the fall, August, is usually kind of the fall month, the first fall month. So yeah, this is all the Halloween fabric you can get at Joann. Now we have some ribbon. Like I said, it's scattered all over the place. So we have like Halloween ribbon, and these, see, there's a price on them. So I just had trouble finding prices, but these are the ribbons, and I can't find the price, but yeah, so these are ribbons. And then they have the larger ribbons down here: orange, black, green, yellow, purple. Very Halloween colors that you can pick up here.